Hi everyone, Lori Whitlock here. Welcome to my YouTube channel today. Thank you for joining me. I am going to show you these new surprise window cards that I have at the Silhouette Design Store and in my shop at shop.loriwhitlock.com in SVG format. These little cards are darling. They have a cute little print and cut sentiment on the front. And then when you pull the little tabs on the side, it opens up and you see this cute little graphic inside. So you kind of have this little surprise effect going on. So let me show you the rest of the designs. I like you a whole lot, and when you open that up, you've got a donut in there. Isn't that fun? And there is these are kind of smaller cards. There's a little envelope included with the SVG file in my shop at shop.loriwhitlock.com. This one says, "I'll be bold and say, you're just my type." Really cute. These are really simple to put together, and because they're print and cuts, it makes them quick and easy to mass produce if you want to make some for a classroom or your friends, your kids to make some for their friends. This one's got a little balloon. You pull and it says, "Love is in the air." This one is a little mailbox, and when you pull that open, it says, "I love you," in a little envelope. This one's got a little rocket ship, and when you open it, it says, "You are out of this world." And this one says, "You're the cat's meow," and you've got a little cat that's saying meow inside. So cute. And one of my very favorites, this one's so much fun, you guys. It says, "You're a llama fun," and you pull that open and you've got a darling little llama. So let's get busy. They're so easy to make. You're going to be so excited to see how simple these are to put together. You have 3 print and cut pieces and the 2 little pull tabs. So I guess 5 little print and cut pieces. Pretty small. It's not going to take very much paper to print and cut those little pieces. And then the pink part is actually just cardstock and the wrapper as well. So let's start with our wrapper. First thing you're going to do is just fold on all those score lines. So just be careful here on this one because you're close to this window. You don't want to put a crease where you don't want it. And then it's great to use a bone folder with this project because you want nice crisp creases so things lay nice and flat. And then when you get to the section with the hole in it, that's actually going to go the other way. So right here we've got a mountain fold and then a valley fold and then another mountain fold. So that bends inside. That's what's going to create our little flat area on the side of the cards. It kind of creates a gusset there. And that little slit there is going to hold our little pull tabs. Again, just make sure you use your bone folder to get nice sharp creases on those. And again, we're going to mountain fold and then valley fold so that those 2 holes meet in the middle here. And then we have our glue tab that's going to fold over here and glue right down the side. So you can, if you'd like to, go ahead and insert your pull tabs in before you glue everything shut. That's fine. I like to glue those pull tabs towards the front so that you can cover them with your little covering panels. These 2 panels are going to go right here on this section and this section. So if you put your pull tabs in now, you'd want to glue those towards the front. You would not have to, but the nice thing about gluing them towards the front, you'll see, is when you look on the inside, you don't see any of those pull tabs glued on the back section there. They can be hidden underneath those 2 covering panels. So that makes it look really nice and clean on the inside. So let's go ahead and slide that through. I'm going to lay this flat. This is why it's a little bit nicer to go ahead and do it before you glue everything. Put a little adhesive there and just glue that tab down. Okay, and you can see that that pull tab is just going to stick out a little bit from the edge of the card so that you can pull on it. And we'll do the same thing here on the other side. Just putting that through, putting a little adhesive right there and gluing that down. Okay, once you have that done, I think the easiest thing at this point is to go ahead and close your card. So to do that, I like to just fold it all up flat and put the adhesive right down the side and use the table to press that nice and flat so you know that your card is going to lay flat when you're done. So let's put a strip of adhesive down there. And we'll go ahead and close that card. So that's going to give you your precise placement for your little front panels. They should fit right inside the window and just glue right up to the edge of that panel. So this is why I like to go ahead and put the card together before I put these in. That way I make sure I get it centered in just the right spot. And I actually think it's going to be easiest to go ahead and put the adhesive on the back of this piece. That way I don't risk getting any out of place. Make sure you just get that on the correct side. That looks good to me. These are so simple to put together. You could have your kids put some together for their class friends, school friends, or neighbors, things like that, siblings. Okay, so look how fun that is. So we have our happy birthday to you, and then when we open it, we want it to have our little balloons inside. So we're going to center that on this back panel here. And this might be easier for you to glue in place before putting it all together. But if you wait until it's assembled, you'll be sure to get it on the right side. So just if you're mass producing them, you might want to go ahead and glue it in before assembling them. It might be just a little bit easier. But it basically covers that entire back panel with a tiny bit of space on each side so that it will fold nice and flat. And when I say tiny, I mean very tiny, maybe a little millimeter of extra space there. Okay, so let's take a look at our card. We've got happy birthday to you, cute little pull tabs, and we've got this cute little set of balloons. How fun is that? So I hope you enjoy making these cute little surprise window cards and get creative this Valentine's or birthday time. And I will see you in another video. I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.